Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Maya tutorial. This tutorial is about creating water droplet in Autodesk Maya 2020. So let's get started. First take a polygon plane. Type width, height and subdivision width height 15 of the polygon plane and rename the polygon plane as wall. Now rotate it 90 degree along x-axis. Change modeling menu to FX menu. Go to N particle. Emit from object. Select emitter type surface. Basic emission speed attribute speed type 0. Normal speed type 0. Click create. Increase the frame to 200. Go to frame 1 and click play and see. Turn off the grid. Now open attribute editor. Just click here or press Ctrl plus A to open attribute editor. Select the N particle shape 1. Open dynamic properties. Select ignore solver gravity. Go to frame 1. Click play and see. Now again go to shading. First select the N particle. Shift select the wall or Control select the wall from the outliner. Go to N particle. Goal. Open goal option. Reset the setting. Goal weight type 1. Click create. Again go to frame 1. Click play and see. Now select the N particle. Open shading option. Particle render type select sphere. Again go to frame 1. Click play and see the effect. Now select emitter 1. Click need parent UV or polysurface only. Now again click in particle shape 1. Minimize the shading. Add dynamic attribute. Click general. Click particle. Control select the goal U and goal V and also parent U and parent V. Click OK. Now go to frame 1. Click play and see. Open per particle array attribute. Per particle array attribute. Right click on the goal V. Click create expression. Expression editor. Now select creation and copy this text just here and paste it. Ctrl plus V. Click create. Now click play and see the effect. See, Again select Run after Dynamics, copy the lower text, Ctrl C copy and Ctrl V to paste, click Create. Now click play and see the effect. I give a link on the description box for this script. Go to lifespan mode, select lifespan PP only. Again go to frame 1, click play and see the effect. Now select the polygon plane, right click, assign new material, select Lambert, change the Lambert color. Just click on this Lambert color checker box and select ramp. Interpolation, select none and move it here, and also this move here. Now select N particle, emitter 1, texture emission attribute, select enable texture rate, open the hypershade window, minimize it, select texture, middle click on the ramp 1 and just drag it to the texture rate. Now go to frame 1, click play and see the effect. See. Again go to N particle shape 1, select shading, change particle render type sphere to point. With N particle 1 selected, again go to N particle, emit from object, reset the setting, solver, select create new solver, omni, basic emission speed attribute, make it 0, click create. Now go to frame 1, click play and see the effect. This is the water droplet creation in Autodesk Maya 2020. It is easy and quick way. Thanks for watching.